We know managing multiple contracts and transactions can be tiresome, while finding the right support contracts can prove to be costly. Are you looking for one service contract to rule them all? Well, let ES&E and Rockwell Automation make your life easier with the Integrated Service Agreement, or ISA. This takes all your Rockwell support services and bundles it into one support agreement, maximizing the value of all your Rockwell Automation investments. This single support package is set to maximize your asset reliability and uptime, reduce total cost of ownership, optimize your installed base investment, and supplement your technical workforce. The three-tiered model allows you to select the right offerings to meet your needs. Get foundational services with the Essential tier, a full set of support services with Enhanced, or get data insights and proactive management with the Premier tier. Every tier includes the highly sought-after 24/7 system-level remote support and Repair Plus, which gives you a repair spend budget that allows access to repair inventory and the ability to restore automation equipment to like new or better condition with our remanufacturing and exchange services. The agreement also grants the ability to add a block of time for field service labor, Rockwell's e-learning platform, Learning Plus, contract usage, and analytic reporting. So if you're looking for a single agreement with one number to call, maximize the value of your existing support contract, or want to discuss options for the future, please reach out to your ES&E account manager or support specialist. We're always here to help.